Hi, this is Litre Total Parks Pro. Today we have a 2012 Ford Ranger, stock number 7125. It's ran from the 6/2011 to the 6/2015. It has a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Turbo diesel engine. Left rear 17-inch factory mega tyre. Right rear 17-inch factory mega tyre. Right front 17-inch factory mega tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Display cluster. Right front sun visor, instrument cluster,